Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
As we look at the economic calendar for the days ahead, investors should be aware of several key data releases that could shape market sentiment. High-impact events are on the horizon, and understanding their potential influence will be crucial for positioning in global markets. As we monitor these key releases, traders should prepare for potential market volatility. Keeping an eye on these data points will help stay ahead of any significant moves in the days ahead.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes rose, hitting record highs, lifted by gains in Tesla and Micron technology after U.S. inflation and jobless data fed market expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates this month. Figure Technology was valued at $7.62 billion after its shares jumped 44% in their Nasdaq debut on Thursday, adding to a run of strong first-day performances by crypto-linked firms as the digital assets industry edges closer to the mainstream. OPEC made no changes to its relatively high global oil demand growth forecasts for this year and next, and said the world economy was maintaining a solid growth trend in the second half of this year.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.1% against the yen in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The oil dollar pair dropped 2.3% in the last session after rising as much as 2.3% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.